Hey there, ready to dive into today's exciting content? Join us as we unveil the top 5 products, factoring in budget, performance, and other juicy details. Dive into the description for more. Ryze Tech Tello. Tello's camera boasts a high-quality image sensor, enabling the capture of 5MP 2592 CAL 1936 photos and 720p HD videos. For beginners, the One-Tap EZ Shots feature empowers you to create professional-level videos effortlessly, ready to be shared on social media directly from your smartphone. The Tello EDU app is designed to support Scratch, a user-friendly programming language suitable for kids. Utilizing a mobile device, students can easily drag coding blocks to command Tello, orchestrating exciting movements. Engaging games with varying levels of difficulty serve as an enjoyable means to impart programming skills. With a flight controller powered by DJI, Tello facilitates the execution of impressive tricks both indoors and outdoors. Embrace the thrill of using it as an FPV drone. Grab your remote control and initiate a racing game. Flying has never been as enjoyable and accessible. Whether you're in the park or relaxing at home, take flight and explore the world from fresh perspectives. This compact drone, weighing a mere 87 grams, is equipped with 2 antennas for enhanced video transmission stability and a high-capacity battery that ensures up to 13 minutes of flight time. Holy Stone HS175D is an incredible deal for anyone looking for a cheap drone. This is also one of the drones in our video that can record videos in 4K, which means your video will look extremely clean and professionals from your first flights. It comes bundled with 2 batteries, giving it a combined flight times of 46 minutes and number of smart features that make using it much easier. It supports auto return, which is helpful if you lose tracks of your drones, but we are more impressed by its Follow Me and Circles flight mode. Follow Me mode allow you to set the drones to follow your movement, which it can detect because it's paired to your phones. Using this feature is helpful if you'd like the drones to record footage of you while you bikes, skateboards, or perform other outdoor activity. Circle Fly modes allows you to automatically fly the drones around a specific point, which will let you get a 360-degree views of a person or thing from an elevated angle. Both of these features are incredibly useful for videographers and require no manual controls, so you'll end up with perfect result every time. The HS175D come bundled with a traveling case with slot for the drone and its included batteries. The drone's wings fold inwards, which make the HS175D's footprint really small. If you don't mind spending a little extra on your cheap drones, this one from Holy Stone is our top recommendations. It's also worth noting that the HS175D is $30 cheaper than normal at the times of publication, so it's an even better deal right now. Potensic Atom SE. This is the perfect affordable drones for starting content creator. It is a budget option that can even take impressive 4K 30 videos with an automatic ISO, so the images looks beautiful facing the sun. And you can save your 4K photo in RAW, leaving a lot of rooms for post-editings. If you are beginning to film contents for your YouTube channels or other video platform, this drone is all you need. However, the camera lack adjustable ISO, shutter speeds, and white balances control in manual modes. They are always set in automatics, making it possible to shoot in automatic modes only. One of its impressive feature is its flying ranges. You can fly up to 4 kilometers and still see the images with clarity on your phone screens. This ranges is thanks to the sturdy remote controllers that connect to your mobile devices through lighting, USB-C, or micro USB cables. The Atom SE GPS use the Potensic Pro apps to display the navigation views. On the app views, you can spot the numbers of satellites it has, which is important to maintain its positions. And this drones hold its positions just as well as DJI drone do, even in windy condition. Its build quality is outstanding for affordable drones, competing with DJI and Exo drone. So you can expect to have it for a long time without breakings. You can get this drones with a Fly More combos, which is pretty cheap. You get a quality bag to protect the drones and an additional batteries for up to 62 minutes of flying time. TOMZON A24W. The TOMZON drone for kids offers an array of flying tricks, including gravity mode, track fly, 3D flips, circle fly, high-speed self-spin, and 3 fly speeds. It provides an abundance of fun, surpassing market expectations, delivering boundless joy for both novice and skilled players alike. For beginners seeking a camera-equipped drone, the A24W1080 camera drone is an excellent choice to capture memorable moments with family and friends. The 2.4G Wi-Fi feature enables real-time image viewing via the app. Additionally, gravity sensing and trajectory flight on the app add extra entertainment. The A24W indoor drone effortlessly syncs with the remote upon power-up, with one key calibration for convenience. Choose to toss it upward or use the key for a swift takeoff within minutes. The altitude hold feature ensures a stable hover. This drone is an ideal learning tool for kids and beginners of all ages. Engage in friendly drone combat with the TOMZON A24 series, where infrared signals and simulated shooting sounds add excitement. The attacked drone responds with a shake before landing slowly, making it perfect for small indoor drone contests. Safety features include a key emergency stop for handling unexpected situations, and sturdy full-blade covers protect both kids and the drone from harm, making it impact-resistant and drop-resistant. With 3 batteries providing a total of 24 minutes of flight time, the modular battery design allows for easy insertion and removal. This indoor RC drone is a fantastic choice for boys and girls alike. 4DRC F12. The drone features dual satellite connectivity, utilizing both GPS and GLONASS navigation systems to ensure a consistent outdoor signal. In conjunction with optical flow positioning, a barometer, and satellite systems, it boasts an impressive return-to-home point and a more precise landing technology. Equipped with brushless motors and aviation propellers, it achieves high aerodynamic efficiency, offering a quieter and more durable performance compared to brushed motors. With 2 batteries providing a remarkable 50 minutes of flight time per charge, the drone ensures extended aerial exploration. Leveraging every pixel, the camera delivers crystal-clear photos and films, enabling smooth 4K video at 16 frames per second and 4K video at 25 frames per second. The F12 proves to be an indispensable companion for travel. Featuring GPS Follow Me, Point of Interest, and Tap Fly functionalities, the aircraft captures stable aerial shots with ease. The inclusion of a carrying case enhances convenience during travel, ensuring that the drone remains portable and readily accessible for your aerial photography needs. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icons to get notified of our new videos.